historic and unique Nuclear Ship Savannah's reactor compartment sits midship just forward of the bridge. The nuclear components would be removed in a series of big lifts after the 50-ton cupola was taken off in 2021. Starting in September 2022, each major component was carefully lifted out of the ship utilizing giant cranes. Each lift required a large crew of specialized experts. After 4 years, President Eisenhower's Atoms for Peace ship was ready for the cupola to be replaced. It would be the final big lift on NS Savannah, docked at Pier 13 in the Port of Baltimore. Our drone pilot checked out the reactor space before the lift. Every big lift has a safety briefing with everyone involved.
No matter how minor it is, we'll get you taken care of.
Erhard Kohler has been with the project for 20 years and shared some historical perspective with the crew.
NS Savannah on this day was in the reserve fleet, James River. And we were giddily running forward, getting ready to get money for decommissioning.
The cupola was ready on Pier 13, sitting inside its collar, which would be removed and trucked out that night. The cupola was hoisted on a barge to be moved to the starboard side of the ship. The crane used for this lift had just come from replacing the mast on the U.S. Constellation in the Inner Harbor. These are very heavy components and everything moves in slow motion. It took 4 hours to complete this procedure. The cupola's bolt holes had to line up perfectly. This was the last big lift on NS Savannah, and the last time this hatch will need to be used. You will be able to visit Savannah on Maritime Day, May 17th, and during the Sail 250th Maryland event. We believe it's the only place in the world where you can stand in what was a nuclear reactor.